it, nosy lamb? Grandma, we found a puppet just like Wormy and me. Yes, but he's got this yellow horn. He's kind of funny looking. I don't know what kind of animal he is, Grandma. Oh, where is he? Oh, let's go get him. Let's go. Grandma, Grandma. Oh, look. It's a unicorn. What kind of animal is a unicorn, Grandma? A unicorn is a magical animal. It's sort of pretend animal. Are you, Grandma? Because I'm not pretend. I'm real. I have a horn, a unicorn. They call me corny. I'm corny because I'm a unicorn. I'm corny. Oh, that's so much fun. They call me Wormy because I'm a worm. Oh, do I hear dogs barking? Ah, they are naughty dogs. Grandma, tell them not to bark. Puppies, quiet. Puppies, quiet. They don't listen to me. Grandma, come on now, try harder. Yeah, Grandma, try harder. Puppies, please be quiet. Please. Does saying please help? I don't know if dogs understand please. Unicorns do. I'm corny. And I'm wormy. Oh, can Corny stay with us, Grandma? Oh, of course. Corny, would you like to stay with us? Oh, please, Grandma. Oh, I like being here. Oh, you have so many puppets. How many worms do you have? Well, we just have this one wormy. Hi, but we do have a snake. Ooh, that's fun. How many unicorns? How many corns, Grandma? You're the only unicorn. I'm special. I'm special. Can I meet the other puppets? Please, Grandma? Please, please. Okay, we'll go meet other puppets. Do you have a special puppet you'd like to meet? Let me think. I like elephants. Elephants and unicorns are friends. I think you have an elephant puppet. Grandma, do you? Oh, we do. We have two of them. We have Tiny and we have Jumbo. Oh, Tiny sounds safer than Jumbo. I'm only little. Jumbo it is. Where is he? Where is he? Hi, Unicorn. I'm Jumbo. Hi, Jumbo. Oh, I wonder how small Tiny is then. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Tiny is very big. Tiny is big and Jumbo small? I know. Doesn't make sense. But you know what? Everything doesn't make sense. Does it, Grandma? No, that's true. But anyways, I'm glad you're here, Unicorn. And you can go meet all the puppets, okay? Okay, Grandma. I love you, Grandma. And I love puppets. And I love boys and girls. Oh, I'm going to have such fun, fun,